Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to manually wind any Seiko 5 that has a hacking movement, which is the R536. So the Seikos with the R536 movement have this hacking feature that you can wind it, and they're gonna run for about 40 hours reserve. Before I go any further, every watch you should wear it. So the proper way to wind it will be just shake it and wear it on your wrist, just where I wear my Seiko 5, the vintage one. Now, what I would do, if you're not able to wear your watch for whatever reason, if you shake it for a minute, the watch should run for about 8 hours. So keep that in mind. 8 hours, you should be fine if you shake it for a minute. However, if you really have to manually wind it, this is what I would do. Okay, so with any R536 movement, I would wind the crown clockwise like this for about 20 minutes, and let's do that. So I'm gonna show you, let's hear it. Hopefully you can hear on camera how I'm winding the watch with the crown pointed inside. And what I will do, I'm gonna wind it for about 30 times. Okay. So quickly, what I'm doing here, I'm winding the crown for about 20 times clockwise position. And now this watch will run for about 40 hours reserve. So hopefully that's pretty self-explanatory how you wind up your Seiko 5 to run 40 hours, the ones that have a hacking movement. Oh, okay. Hope you find this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.